What's going on, guys? Dreworkz here. So recently we just finished a Golf R robot Craftsman baby kit, as they say on their website. So this includes the front bumper, the grill surrounds, the grill, the hood, the side skirts, and then you also have like a side skirt extension, which we have right here. And then it also includes a diffuser with a wing. But keep in mind, this kit is made for base model Golf. We took a lot to actually fit this kit properly to this car because of it being built around a base Golf. So there's a lot of trimming needed. There's a lot of cutting. There's like the crash beam needs to be cut as well. And then this car has radar sensors in the front for cruise control, so we did have to make our own brackets for those as well. But as you see, everything fits pretty nice. Freshly painted, the factory color. We did add some spacers to this. This has 20 millimeter spacers all the way around to kind of push the wheels out with these little aftermarket flares, as you see. And here we have the side skirts. They go all the way. Here's our slogan, built to inspire. And the flare comes all the way across the rear quarter into the bumper, and then the diffuser as well. This diffuser is not made for quad exhaust, but we did a lot of body work to actually make it fit, and it looks OEM, like it's supposed to be like that. So we did fiberglass on the inside and made it fit really nicely. But here's a little walk around. This vehicle will probably be going on bags here in the next couple months, but customer did want to have the kit finished first to see how he would like it, and it looks pretty sick. I do like it. I do wish that this kit didn't need that much work, but most body kits do need work, so it is what it is. But we got it done for the customer, and we're going to shoot a little cinematic video for you.